So now I'm going to talk about one of the coolest and newest features on Google Maps. At least it's new at the time I'm making this video. And it's called Street View. And what it is Google got some specialized cars to go around major cities and drive down pretty much every single street. And this car has like a 360-degree camera on top and takes a picture every predetermined amount of time. So what you get, let me just show you real fast, is a 360-degree view of any street and any of the cities they offer. So you can see this as a street in Dallas, and it's just a real photo that I can manipulate. And right now, Street View is available in these cities: Boston, Chicago, Dallas, Denver, Detroit, Fort Worth, Houston, Indianapolis, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Miami, Minneapolis, New York City, Orlando, Philadelphia, Phoenix, Pittsburgh, Portland, Providence, San Diego, the San Francisco Bay Area, St. Paul, and Tucson. So if you don't live in one of these cities, don't worry. I think Google is going to be adding to this list eventually. But right now it's just in these cities. And you'll know if it's available if you see this Street View icon. So I'm just looking around Dallas and I see that this is available. So I would click on it, and then dragging this guy around is how I bring up the Street View. So that's just an introduction to what Street View is. And I'll go into detail about how to navigate it and everything you can do with this in the next clip.